Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Fashionable. I hope everyone is too good and pretty fine. In today's video, we are exploring the timeless charm of Kolhapuri Chappal. These traditional Indian sandals have then you are going to love this video. Stay tuned because we will showing you a with collection of stylish Kolhapuri Chappal designs from classic leather looks to trend modern twist. The classic Kolhapuri Chappal made from pure leather. These designs are handcrafted. They are lightweight, long-lasting, and pair perfectly with traditional outfits like kurtas, shalwar kameez, or even saris. The earthy brown shades are the most popular, but you will also find black and tan leather variation. These are perfect for anyone who want to keep their look ethnic yet stylish. Moving on to modern style, designers have reimagined Kolhapuri with bright color, metallic finishes, and even cushioned sole for extra comfort. You will see Kolhapuri in gold, silver, and even pastel shade, making them ideal from pairing with jeans, palazzo, or Indo-Western dresses. These fashion designs are especially popular among youngsters who want that touch of traditional with a stylish vibe. Fancy embroidered Kolhapuri, these designs often come with beads, sequins, thread work, or mirror work, making them perfect for festive occasions, wedding or parties. Imagine pairing a beautifully embroidered Kolhapuri chappal with a lehenga or angarkha. It instantly elevates your look while keeping you comfortable. These are favorite choice for bridesmaids and festive dressing. Kolhapuri for daily wear. These are simple minimal design with soft leather and flat sole, making them super comfortable for walking. They go great with casual outfit like denim trouser or even skirts. Many brands today are also adding foam or rubber padding under the sole to make them more practical for long hours of use. Who love luxury, they are designer Kolhapuri Chappal. These come with unique pattern, fine quality leather, and even embellishment like pearls, crystals, and zardozzi embroidery. They can cost a little more, but the craftsmanship and elegance are worth it. Perfect for fashion shows, special event, or just to make a statement. Pair classic brown kolhapuris with white kurta pajama for a timeless ethnic look. Metallic kolhapuri look great with sari or even gowns. Brightly colored kolhapuris can add a pop of fun to your casual denim outfit. For wedding, go for embroidered or crystal studded Kolhapuris that match your outfit. With the right pair, you can blend comfort and elegance in one step. Kolhapuris are not just for women, men also love them. Men's styles often feature bordered, sharp, darker shade, and stronger sole. They are perfect for sherwanis, kurtas, pajamas, or even smart casual. A good pair for Kolhapuris can truly complete a gentleman, festive, or wedding look. So, friend, that was our journey through stylish Kolhapuri Chappal, from traditional classics to modern designer pieces. These sandals are not just footwear, they are a piece of culture, heritage that continues to stay fashionable even today. Whether you want to dress up for a wedding, keep it casual for a day out, or just add a touch of traditional to your wardrobe, Kolhapuri chappal are always the perfect choice. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stylish footwear collection. And tell us in the comment which Kolhapuri style was your favorite. I hope you found the perfect style that match your taste and occasions. Do not forget share your favorite design in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Fashionable. Stay stylish, stay comfortable, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.